Hey guys, this is SolarRag333 with another custom work in progress. And here I have the one of the older Star Wars Black Series Darth Vader. I think this is the one that came with a display set. I think Walmart sold them, and then they were on clearance. And once they got on clearance, I bought a shitload of them. I think the original price was 40 bucks. Got them for 8 bucks. So any previous custom Darth Vader customs that you've seen in the past, yeah, those were $8 Vaders. And I have one here, and there's some customs that I want to do with the Black Series, but some of them are a pain, and so I just never bothered with them. And I'm gonna show you why. Now, I thought I could just do the boil and pop method with this, and I'm sure for most of the figure you can, but if you want to remove the legs from the ball joint, it is a pain. Now, I heated up the figure so much and it made everything very gummy, but not enough to remove it from the ball joint. I think maybe this is harder plastic than everything else, and it just would not give, and I actually wound up just breaking it, which was a bummer because I really did not want to break it. Had I known that it would break, I would have tried another method, but oh well, maybe I have some more and I can do that with the other figures. But I broke them, and the ball joints were now stuck in there, and god damn, it was a fucking pain. So the first thing I did was just try to pry it out with this tool, the Sure Built. Got this from like AutoZone, I think, and it would not fit. It's too hard. It would not fit. Then I just tried needle nose pliers. It would not work, wouldn't grip it, and even if it did, it wouldn't come out. So the next one, a little bit more dangerous, I used an X-Acto knife and just kept carving into the ball joint, just slice, 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 slice. And actually, no, the first step was the drill bit. That's what I did. I did the hand drill, and I just try to poke holes through it. Then I did this, and I figured I could probably cut them into pieces, and even after all that, it still wouldn't give. So I used, you know, if this was too big, I used a small little screwdriver, and at first I used the flathead to kind of wedge in there, and it fit, and it was getting it, and it broke. I was like, son of a bitch. Broke. Then, oh well, I just flipped it, popped out. So here is the ball, all chewed up and mangled. It did some damage, but hopefully I can still use it. But then I had to do it again on this one. Grabbed another one, pried it in there, also broke. Flipped the other side, popped it out, and yeah, it was a chore. I suffered a little battle damage right there, a little cut. I'm not even sure how I got that. I don't know if it was the X-Acto knife or if the flathead scraped me. It's not, just a little tiny, like almost a paper cut. But man, these things are a pain to remove. I mean, I have lots of ideas for this, but these are hard to remove. I mean, I tried it with Luke. I was able to remove the leg, but I did do damage to it. And I warped the dumbbell joint here too. So that's warped. And if I wanted to put it on, I'm not, because it's going to probably be difficult to put on. So yeah, these are not fun to customize. Here's Aura Singh. I removed the arms and put them on a different. This is the donor body for the Jedi Aura Singh that I did a while back, and the arm broke right there. So yeah, so when doing Star Wars Black Series customs, especially kit bashes, just get ready to break figures. I think the newer ones might be a little bit easier. They're softer, gummier plastic, which I guess, I don't know, says something of the quality. But at least it's going to be easier to customize. So yeah. Oh, I actually used some of the shock fluid, thinking it might, you know, grease up the ball socket. It didn't help. Maybe it helped a little bit. I don't know. But no, I still had to go through these extreme measures of cutting, drilling, and prying and breaking tools, cutting myself. Whew. So there it is. You'll see what this is going to be at some point. Anyway, thanks for watching.